Hi everyone, this is Aruna Arichami, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series today, we're going to see about the multiple inheritance. So initially I said that multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Why it cannot supported means it will have an ambiguity problem. So because a child can have only one parent, if we are having a multiple parents in the thing, we cannot able to support it over here. In real world also, it cannot be supported. A child can have only a single mother and single father. So only one parent it will have a child. So in real life also it cannot be supported, but in a Java also it cannot be supported because it will have an ambiguity problem that could be avoided in the over here. So how we can use this multiple inheritance means with the help of interfaces. So we can able to invoke the multiple inheritance and we can also resolve the multiple inheritance. For example, so we have certain, definitely while executing the compiler does not give the without no error. So definitely it will generate certain error, that is a Java not supported multiple inheritance at the class level, but it can be only achieved through the interface. And also by using a implement keyword, we can able to access this thing. Now for that, we will see how we can execute this thing. So now I am going to share my entire screen. So through that, I'm going to give the program for Java. So see here, I have given this program. So class wish is my base class. So inside that thing, I have given one message called as a best of luck. And also I have created the another class that is a class birthday. So birthday is, it will have the one certain function. So here in this particular thing, it will have a two classes. One is a wishes, another one is a birthday. So how we can access this thing is, now I'm going to extend this both the classes wishes and birthday in the demo classes. This is my child classes. There I have to give one my public static void main, that is the main classes. I have created an object. Through that object, whether it can able to call my two parent classes, but multiple inheritances, it will have a two parent classes and one derived classes. According to this program, I'm having a two classes as a wish and birthday, but I'm having the demo is my second classes. So in this case, whether it can be executed on, we will check it. So I'm going to save this program as a demo.java because the inside the demo only I'm having my main classes. I'm saving this one. So now I'm going to execute this program. Java C demo.java. See here, considering a scenario, this can be expected. So something is error over here. So what is that error? We cannot able to extend the two parent class in a single child classes. So definitely it cannot be invoked. So defaultly our compiler can have certain error for this one. So this is the how your Java is does not support the multiple inheritance. See here, the class demo is my derived class. It will extend the two parent class wishes and birthday. So wishes and birthday is my two parent class. So it cannot be invoked over here. So how we can resolve this thing means it can be resolved by using, I'm going to use my two parent class that has been interface. And also instead of this thing, I'm going to use implements. So through that, let us see whether it can be executed or not. I'm having a two parent classes and one interface. Through that, whether it can be accessed or not, we can able to check. So we have a 4 error. What is that error? Public static void main. It is inside the thing. So I have to give it in the capital letter, I think so. Interface. Interface demo implements wishes and birthday. So now I'm running this program. So we are having only one error. Public interfaces is expected. Something is in the error. Whether it be closed. Four can be closed, four can be closed. How it can. Oh, I'm saving this program. Now I'm going to execute this thing. Demo. Spot the. I close the one that thing. Using interface. Using interface. Here I can use class. We'll see. So see here, I'm executing this thing, it will have 4 errors. Something is missing over here. I have closed everything. Interface bar also I have closed. Class demo. So this is the how your multiple inheritances does not supported. So how we can achieve means only by using interface. This I have detailedly explained in my next video. Something error is over here. So I will explain it in my next video. Thank you for watching my video.